I use a fan that's connected to the wall, and I tied it onto the fan, and then I tie this to the fan, so the fan can blow this up, this bubble. So if you want to try it, yes, go try it right now. Actually, I'm in this bubble. Look, inside this bubble. You're like, oh, how do you make this, Cody? We ate. I made it using a fan. This fan is just like the fan is blowing off the air in, so the bubble can create. And it's kind of cold in here, but it's fine. If you live in a hot place, try this. This is amazing to block all the sun. Get a thicker blanket, maybe. But it's like, well, if you have too small spot, like a big blanket. And it also buys like a blanket, so the light don't like shine in. If you bought two, it looks in. But yeah, so if someone hot, do this. Block off the sun, and it's so like reflection. The air is just like repeating, and it's just like amazing, It's like the best thing ever. This is so good. So if you're listening, try this, please. This is amazing. Asparagus. It just feels like a hamburger. I don't like to eat hamburgers, so go fix this. The best thing about this, you don't have to worry about it breaking. If it does break, just fix it. So